So needing help.
Okay, so
Upsang and I have been working on this for about 2 years now. So we've gotten to get to know each other in jail. One of my primary purposes here as coordinating the spiritual services here is helping people grow in their faith. It's what's called a protective custody medium security housing unit. The individuals in that housing area are in there because they have to be protected from the other inmate population. Frankly, when somebody is accused of a sexual crime, generally the shame level is extraordinarily high. And the perspective of the community on those individuals who are accused of that is very judgmental, is very severe. Oftentimes with that, they are cut off from their families, their friends. The community will ostracize them in profound